Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you use the Expedia mobile app frequently, your past searches and saved data can build up over time. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear that data and improve your privacy and app performance. Let's get started. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section called Security and Settings. Once inside the Security and Settings page, keep scrolling down until you find the option that says Clear Search and Saved Data. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm this action. Tap Continue to complete the process. After a few seconds, all your saved searches and data will be cleared from the Expedia app. That's all it takes to clear your search and saved data in the Expedia mobile app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.